Hello guys, it's your boy Habib Educate, and as you know, I have started this channel with tutorials how to edit your videos and pictures. So don't be bored when you see this, okay? Because so far I've been doing forex trading, some of the things that I know that I can share to my audience out there. Apart from that, I do content concerning text and business. So today we are back to InShot tutorial. So what are we going to do? What I have for you guys today is how to create a shining text. Okay, how to create a shining text. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Before I continue, if this is your first time on this channel, then please kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video like this, you will be the first person to be notified. But if you've been on this channel with us for long, then welcome back guys. I really appreciate your work and effort. So let's dive into it. Now let's open our InShot app. That's the app that I've been using for editing of my videos and what have you, including thumbnails. So let's hit on video, let's hit on new. Now we are going to create a blank video, okay, a blank short video. So let's hit on blank, hit on tick, but the background of it should be white. Okay, it should be white, pure white. Then hit on tick, let's save it. Okay, it will take some few seconds to finish saving. Then after that, let's hit on the home icon. We are going to create the second video. Okay, so hit on new. That will be the text video, but for the text video the background should be black as it is. Then let's hit on text. Any of the text that you want, you can just hit it up, but the color of the text should be gold color so that we can get that shining effect of it. So what am I going to type now? Let me type the name of my YouTube channel, Habib Educate, or in capital, Habib Educate. Now let's adjust it by enlarging it or increasing the size. Okay, I think this look good. Actually, I've already chosen the golden color, but if you don't know where it is or where it can be found, just hit on the color icon there, hit on it. These are various colors, so where you can find the color, the color is next to color orange. So here is it. After yellow you can find gold there. This orange, gold, right? So yellow, gold, orange, but we are choosing gold color so that we can have that shining effect. So after enlarging it, hit on the tick sign. Then we are going to save. What did I do? Okay, we are going to save this video as well. Hit on the tick sign, save it. This will just take you less than 5 minutes, but for the tutorial purpose I think it's gonna take less than 6 minutes. So let's hit the home button, then hit on video again, hit on new. Now let's import the text video, the Habib Educate video, or the video with the Habib Educate written on it. Here is it. So what we are going to do now is hit the PIP icon to import the previous video that we did, the one with the white background. So hit on PIP. Okay, so hit on the video with the white background. Here is it. Can you see that? Okay, so what we are going to do next is we are going to hit on mask. Hit on mask. All right, so here are different shapes and what have you. So we are going to choose the second one. So first, second, here is it. So what we are going to do now is we are going to rotate it on our screen. After rotating it, close it a bit. You can do that with your fingers. Okay, use your two fingers or your thumb on and your index finger or end of the finger just to pinch it, close it, and you can also pinch it or increase it, but we are going to close it like this. After that, then we'll hit on this sign to make it a bit lighter. It's closed, so when we pull it back, it becomes a bit lighter. After that, hit on the tick sign. Okay, let me adjust it a bit. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, I think it's good like this. So hit on the tick sign. Okay, so now we can adjust it however you want. After that, hit on blend. Then I've gotten a new trick. Okay, previously people used to use overlay. Can you see how it has changed? But no, we are going to use color dodge. I think that one is even bit brighter compared to the overlay. This is the overlay. Can you see the effect of it? Now let's try the color dodge and see. Can you see that? Yeah, so hit on the tick sign. So now what we are going to do is we are adjusting it and bringing it to the beginning of the text. Then we'll hit on keyframe. Okay, here's it. After hitting on keyframe, we are going to pull, right from the beginning. What we are going to do it, we are going to pull it like this to the end. Then now the movement goes on like this. Can you see the shining? So that's all. Then hit on play. That's it. So let's send it back and play it again and see what we've done. Wow, that's so beautiful. So this, if you have a cool music, you can just add at the background, and I think it will be a bit dope. So let's hit on music. Let me hit imported. Okay, so let me see this. Okay, so let's use this. Let me cut it a bit, delete this part. Okay, so Friday boy, that's it. Hit the tick sign, then save it. Very, very simple. How is the video? Cool, right? So I'll be uploading more videos like this to teach you how to create or edit your own videos and pictures, including thumbnails. So if you like it, just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, and support me. I need your support. Okay, don't forget, I'm still Habibi, and I leave you in peace. Salam.